consistency is key. Post your lashes. Post you wearing your lashes. When guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiki. In today's video, I will be talking about how to start a lash business. I'm going to let you know the tips and tricks that I followed to start my lash business, and I hope that it would help you along your journey. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. You already know the deal. Like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into this video. So, first things first. I'm going to give you some time to go get you a notebook and pen so you can take notes on things that I'm talking about today in this video, because it will help you along your journey. So I will give you a few seconds to go get that, starting now. Time's up. I hope you got your pen and I hope it works. So I have my notebook with my notes on things that I want to talk about today in this video, so don't mind if I'm looking down, because I'm honestly just reading what I wrote down so I don't miss anything. So first things first, honey, is get you a planner or notebook so you can take notes and strategize your business plan. Figure out your business name, figure out your business logo, figure out what type of items you want to sell. You want to sell lashes? Okay, what style lashes? 3D, 5D, 16mm, 25mm. What style lashes are you looking to sell? For me, I did an everyday look, which was 16mm, and I did 25mm for my chicks that like the long lashes. Okay, I'm trying to meet in between to make sure I satisfy all people. So some people like an everyday natural look, and some people like 25mm, like boom in your face, you see my lashes. So that's what I did. So you need to figure out what type of lashes you would like to sell. Once you get that down, you make sure you have a logo and a nice catchy business name. For your logos, you can always go on Instagram to find somebody to make your logo, or you can look up ways on YouTube, watch videos to see how to make your own logo at home. Looking for vendors. When looking for vendors, you can go on Instagram, you can go on Alibaba, you could go on AliExpress. But when you look up for your vendor, make sure you do your research on the vendor. Make sure you look up reviews. Don't just purchase from the first vendor you see. Okay? Because that can cause a big issue, and that's a no-no. Do your research. When you do find your vendor, ask your vendors for customer reviews. You want pics and videos of each style lash that you like. If you gotta have them take the lash and go like this to it and bend it and flip it to make sure the lash is not falling off and the lash band is strong, do that too. But you want to see reviews. You want to see videos of the lash styles that you like. You want to see pictures. If they have pictures of people wearing them lashes, you want to see that. You want to see the lashes that you are buying. Ask all the questions that you have. The lady I went through, I tried 2 different vendors. The first vendor, I asked them 1,000 questions. Listen, if you can't answer my questions, I can't give you my money. They answer my questions, I got my lashes. And to be honest, my lashes sold in a week. I tell you, no lie. And I only promoted them on Instagram. Okay, I will get into that later on in the video. But you want to ask 1,000 questions. Make sure they answer your questions, because this is your money. This is your hard-earned money that you're spending on these lashes. So you want to make sure you're getting your money's worth. So ask questions. I'm telling you. Ask questions before you make a purchase. So when you're looking for your lashes and you're looking for your vendors, try to look for the best deals. And when you do find lashes or find your vendor that you want to go, see if the vendor will work with you on your price. Like, say for instance, I'm getting 2 style lashes and I'm doing 20 of this style and 20 of that style. Your MOQ is 100 on cases. All right, so I'm getting 100 cases and I'm getting tweezers. All right, what kind of deal you going to give me? I'm making a nice purchase. I'm about to spend a nice amount of money. Can you give me a deal? Can you work with me on the prices? 9 times out of 10, they will. So you make sure you do that. Don't just, this is the price. All right, I'm going to pay it. No, work with me on that price. Bring that price down some, because I'm telling you now, your shipping is going to be a lot. If you're going through Alibaba, AliExpress, Instagram, 9 times out of 10, they're coming from China. Yes, sis, China. China, not for nothing, everything comes from China. Lashes will be coming from China, and your shipping will be $25 or more. So you want to make sure you are purchasing some good items, especially with the shipping price that you're going to pay. And your items are going to take a while to come because they're coming from China. So expect your products to come within 3-4 weeks. I'm telling you. 2 weeks if you're lucky, but if not, you're going to probably wait 3-4 weeks for your products to come. Like I said, with your vendors, you want to make sure your vendors are good. You want to make sure your lashes are A1, so you want to ask as many questions as you can. When you make your first order, don't jump out the window. Don't be going ordering 100 lashes, because this is a trial, and you're doing a trial on your lashes to see if they're going to sell. So when you start off on a low order. Find out their MOQ. MOQ is minimum order quantity. So most of the time your vendors will have that. Some will say MOQ 5 lashes, MOQ 100 cases minimum, MOQ 10 tweezers. So that's the least amount that you can purchase. So just do your research on that and make sure you're within the means, but don't try to jump out the window and go ordering 100 lashes your first shot, because, sweetheart, you don't want to do that and God forbid your lashes don't sell. Now you just got 100 lashes sitting in your room. You just wasting your money, because I'm pretty sure they're probably not going to take it back. You might not be able to return it. So start with a low amount. 10 of this style, 10 of that style. If I can get 10 cases, give me 10 cases. Let me try this out. Listen, I pray that it all breaks out for you, that you get your 10 lashes and they sell instantly. Now, if you want some lashes sell, all right, we on a poppin'. Let me go order 50 of this style, 50 of that. Give me this many cases. Give me this, give me that. Let's go. We ready. You don't need to make a website to start selling your lashes at the beginning. Once your lashes is booming, then yeah, make your website. But to start off, promote on Instagram, DM me to purchase. Let them DM you. You get their information. You go package your stuff up, ship them out. You don't have to go extreme on the first route, okay? Usually, when you find your vendor, ask them, all right, I'm going to buy my lashes from you, my cases. Can you put my logo on my cases? My vendor did. They did it transparent. It came out lovely. Actually, my first vendor that I went to, I did 10 of each style, 16 mm for the everyday look, 25 mm for my chicks that like the long lashes, and believe it or not, they sold in a week. I was shocked. I told my boyfriend, like, oh shit, I did not expect these lashes to sell so fast, and I only promote it on Instagram because I don't have other social media. I did everything on Instagram, and they sold, and they DM'd me. I shipped them out to them. So I said, all right, I feel as though the vendor I went to the first time, I paid a little bit too much. I did more research on YouTube. I'm like, all right, I paid a little bit too much per lash. So I got it back online, did my research, looked for new vendors, asked a million questions. The vendor I'm going through now, the lady Kathy, I asked her a million questions. I probably got on her nerves. I don't care. You're getting my money. You're going to answer my questions. You're going to make sure everything's right. And then I will give you my money and place my order. So I found this one. The price was good. They even worked with me. They put my logo on my tweezers. They put my logo on my cases. My package actually came 2 days ago, so I'm going to be doing an unboxing video on that because I haven't even opened the package. And I'm dying to open the package because I have people that's waiting for lashes, so I will be doing a video on my unboxing and showing you guys my lashes that I'm selling. I'm excited for that. But you need to figure out your prices, how much you want to sell your lashes for. You could do deals. Promote on Instagram. Duh, everybody has Instagram these days, especially for businesses. You can promote on Instagram, and I'm gonna let you know how to do that. So, promoting. You can promote your stuff on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, whatever social media you have. Promote on there. Make sure your quality of your pictures are A1. If your pictures are shitty, no one's going to look at that picture. They're going to bypass your picture and go to the picture that's nice, clear, and catchy. So make sure your pictures are good. Try to stay away from all the filters because filters can make the ugliest thing look nice. I'm just keeping it real with you. So try to stay away from your filters. Use hashtags. Use realistic hashtags. But when you're doing your hashtags, if you're saying you're doing hashtag Bink Lash Strips and that shit says 2.5 million views, do not go with that one. Go with one with a less number, because the chances of your lashes being looked at in that 2.5 million is slim to none. So go to the ones with a little less amount of views, okay? Because you got a better chance of people seeing them. All right? So model your lashes. I put my lashes on and I take pictures, because if the owner doesn't wear the lashes, why would somebody want to buy your lashes? You need to model your own lashes. Let them know that your lashes are A1. They're beautiful. The quality is perfect, and you get XYZ amount of wears out of these lashes if you do the right thing by them. Explain to them that you can wear the lashes this amount of time. This is what you got to do to clean them. Model your lashes. Sell your product. You have to sell your own product. Don't expect someone else to sell your product. Go on promoting your lashes. Post them shits every day. Every day. I don't give a damn if it's the same video. Post your lashes in your story every day. Consistency is key. Post your lashes. Post you wearing your lashes. When people purchase your lashes, tell them you like selfies. Send you selfies of them in your lashes. Post them. Client cam. Show that your products are good. Post, post, post. You have to promote yourself, honey. If you want to sell these lashes, promote yourself. Make sure your quality of your pictures are A1. Get on Instagram, get on social media. Have your family member post. Have your workers, your co-workers post. Have your friends post. Post, post, post. And that will attract people. Also, you can post a video or a picture of your lashes that you're selling on your Instagram and have Instagram promote them. Pay, I think it's like $5 and up. Whatever you want. For XYZ amount of days, have them promote your lashes. And then when people are watching stories, they can see your promotion. And that will attract people to your lashes. But you want to also make sure, like I can't say this enough, make sure the quality of your pictures are perfect. And that's how you will get your followers up. That's how you will attract people to come purchase your lashes. Also, here's people on Instagram that I go to promote my business. I'm going to tell you. So Miss Jazz. All right, so this company on Instagram, look up the Branding Bar. They do promo Saturdays, $25.99. You send them, you pay them. I think it was through Cash App. I don't know. I forgot the website. You go on their website. They give you the link. You pay them the $25.99 on Saturday. They will advertise your business for 24 hours. That will help you attract people. Another person I go to. Her name is Miss Jazz _makeup artist. I will leave their names in the description box below. She also does promo Wednesdays. $25. You send her snap her a picture that you paid through Zelle or Cash App, and then you tell her, you send her what you want her to advertise, your Instagram name, where you're located, and she will post you for 24 hours on her story. You have to do those promos. That will help you get your clientele. That will get you your customers. That will get your page popping. That is what you have to do. You have to pay to promote yourself. There's nothing wrong with that. So those are two ways that you can promote your business. So those are ways to promote your business on a budget, because there are some people that will do promos for you, but you're going to pay $250, $500, $1,000 or up. So start with the ones that's cheaper, $25. If they have a big following, take your chance. They can get you your customers. Shit, you might ask them to promote you. They see your lashes. They may be like, oh sis, I like them lashes. Let me get a pair. Promote your brand, honey. Also, you have to be passionate. If you're not passionate in what you're doing, it shows. Like, you can't fake it. So you have to be passionate. You have to be consistent. You have to put your all into what you're doing. And I promise you, your outcome will be so great. Always think positive, never think negative. Don't let people bring you down. If somebody says something bad about your lashes or your business, ignore them. Those are haters. That's what they're going to do. But promote yourself. Think positive. And I promise you, it will all work out. Make sure, if you don't have already, which everybody has, make sure you set up a Cash App, PayPal, all the different ways for people to pay you when they DM you to order your items. Once you're doing good and you got a big clientele, then work on your website. Make your website, link that to your Instagram so people go directly to your website and order your lashes. Once you see like, damn, it's a lot of people buying my lashes, I can't be ordering 10 pair of each lashes no more. Make sure you order a good amount. When you see that your quantity is getting low, oh honey, place that order ASAP, because remember, 9 times out of 10 your lashes are coming from China. It's going to take weeks to come. You do not want your clients waiting for your lashes, because if they waiting too long, guess what they're going to do? They're going to get on Instagram, get on Facebook, get on Twitter, and look for the next person that is selling lashes, and now you just lost money. So when you see, damn, I'm down to 10 in this style, 10 in this style, let me hurry up and place that order. Like, try not to go under 15, because you do not want to run out of lashes. You want to be consistent, like lashes always on deck. I'm ready. Once you got your lashes up and popping, add some more stuff to your business. Sell lip gloss. You can get that from Alibaba, AliExpress, and make your own lip gloss. Start selling different things. Sell sunglasses, sell clothes. Start your little boutique, sis. Get your coin. It's a lot of money out there to be made, but if you ain't busting your tail and out there on your grind hustling, the money won't come to you. So you just have to stay consistent. And like I said, just do your research, because trust me, these vendors will nicely take your money and give you bullshit. And we're not wasting money. So just make sure you do your research. Stay on your grind, and you will make it to where you need to be. My next video, I'm going to be unboxing my new lashes that I just recently ordered. And I'm going to do an unboxing on that. I'm going to also do videos on how I print my stickers and how I ship my packages. I'm going to do a video on that too. And all the tools and stuff that I've purchased so that my lash business moves smoothly. Because I go right on PayPal to ship out to do my package labels. It's like, people think that you need so much money to start a lash business. People think you need so much money to start a hair business. No, you don't. $50 can start you a lash business. And that $50, you flip that. I spent $50 on these lashes. I'm about to flip that to $100. All right, I spent $100 on lashes. I'm about to flip that shit to a stack. Like, keep flipping, keep flipping, keep flipping. Like, if you don't know how to grind, honey, you better learn it. I know how. Like, you got to have a hustle mentality. And honey, keep flipping them dollars, and you will make it far. And then you will be like, damn. Like, you'll be sitting back like, damn, I really made it far with this. $50 got me this. Oh, okay, sis, I could do anything. But you got to be consistent. You got to put your all into your business. So, guys, with that being said, I hope this video was helpful for anyone that is looking to start a lash business. Like I said, you do not need a lot of money. Get your coins, sis. Let's get it. Follow me on Instagram at lavishlooks_by Kiki. I will put it on the screen. Different companies you can go on to find your vendor. I will leave that down in the description box. Until next time, you already know the deal. Be safe, be healthy, be blessed. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time, guys. Peace.